Look who's back. Today's task is to move these containers because I purposely put them over where the septic field goes, or part of it. It kind of goes off this way, some of it, so there wouldn't be as much, you know, people driving over and stuff like that. Get some things out of the way, move this last little bit of stuff we've been cleaning up. You can see we cleaned up around it. And we're gonna take them. We're gonna move them with old Blue here, not the Green Goblin. We're gonna put one on one side and one side on the other. And they'll just be down here, but the doors will be facing back this way. All right, so I'm gonna move the boom lift out of the way so he can turn around when he comes down, so you can have the door facing the way we want it. And that'll be that. Man, this thing is loud. See, just that little bit of lean, the alarm doesn't like it, because you get up 64 feet in the air, that little bit of lean down here equals a lot of lean up there. See? Because now it's happier. Can you drive better than you, Brian?
Yeah, he does. He's been doing it for a long time.
Long time?
Yeah.
This is the one we probably go in the most. Yeah, so we'll put this one on the left, unless it's going to be in the way of getting the next one in there. But ooh. All right, slide under here, get this one moved, then we'll move that one. You know, a lot of this doing it yourself stuff is very dependent on who you know, because obviously no one does anything, well, I guess not anything, because there's some small stuff, but no big project, at least I haven't seen it. If y'all have, put in the comments. No big project is done by one person. It still takes a team, and having the right people definitely helps. I was gonna have Chris just push them down the hill, but I see, you know, I want to go ahead and they're gonna put in the septic. Then I want to get this all in grass anyway. For now, I got to burn that pile. I just want to get them where next time we move them is gonna be to their final little spot we got planned, which because I'm using those trailers, those are gonna go to job sites, a lot easier to move. But we got a couple of plans for these. Hey, it ain't that heavy, Brian. What happened?
Huh?
What happened? It ain't that heavy.
I know, right? That's what the customer always says.
Yeah. I don't know. It's got those two toolboxes in it. See him jump. I jumped too, though. Oh, I see. Got a little thing that'll slide.
On your side and what I was worried about. Alright, hold on. Up just a little bit, back up.
That should be good.
Alright.
That's pretty cool.
Alright.
Almost looks like you've done that before.
A little bit. That off the tension of the winch, if it slide up just enough.
Oh, look at that. All kinds of little tricks. Surprised we didn't get a snip pop out of here. I guess they got the message when stuff was moving. All right, we'll see what we find under that one.
Your OSHA guys ain't gonna like us moving it without straps on it.
Well, we're going about 200 feet.
Yeah.
what was smelling dead.
What was it?
Awesome.
Under this.
Under the other one. I just couldn't see it till we moved this. Did you tell him which side we wanted it on?
Yeah, he was waiting for him to move so he could turn around.
Got it. You realize how big that thing is when it's on that trailer. That's where they'll probably be until we finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and start moving this stuff out of the way, and he'll back up and do the exact same thing to this one.